you enjoying Cape Town?
Yes, sir. Heartfelt gratitude and I request the students to give a standing ovation to the faculty. Hello, we have just completed the classes, going back to our respective resort, and yes, you can see the tension on the faces of students because they have an evaluation tomorrow. So ideally it is a D-Day that is going to be tomorrow, and each one of our student is going to speak. They have already been divided the topics, the groups. They have worked hard for this entire thing, and then after the debate there are two exciting things. They will be going to the Table Mountain as well in the afternoon, and the last part of tomorrow is the farewell dinner. Well, they will be given the certification. So as a mentor, we faculty members are looking forward to it, and we are sure that our students will perform well. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are in Cape Town and the weather is very cold. It was a very hectic day. We just got the debate information today.
Very expensive because where we are staying, as you can see, it is a very amazing place, a very amazing weather, and everything is very good. And I'm sharing the faculty is helping us very much in everything, and they are cooperating with us, totally understanding everything, and a very good experience.
The weather is nice today, so the boat ride will be good. We won't get drenched, hopefully. It will be nice, and we thank Asian Law College and UCT for this trip.
The winning team on round one, we've decided to get it to group two.
Namaste from Cape Town. We are about to go to the ferry to start our journey for the Robben Island. Good afternoon. We are inside the prison Robben Island, and we have just seen the prison which was utilized by Nelson Mandela for almost 27 years. And the trip is going great, and the guide is in fact he is himself a prisoner who is informing us about his various experiences, and the curiosity among the students is also high.